like, stop, like. Hello, dupers. Follow me back, dupers, on my second account. Kylie Babe name.
Pangina mo, dapat hindi ko lang muna pinatulan. Alam niya na kasi.
Walang buhay.
Salamat kayo. Hindi na ako pinalis doon. Hayop kayo. Kinansel ko pa yung isa eh. Para mas lalong nahirapan sila eh.
Okay, good seeing you again. Yeah, okay, sure. Seeing you too is good.
Ay, dalawa pa tanong.
I've just been busy. Dupers, follow me back. Are you there on my second account, Kylie Babe? Thank you, Jerome. Oh, we're mutuals. Hi, Migs. Hi, Kylie. Oh my God, thank you so much. Hello, OA. Buti alam mo ako si Kylie Jenner, te. Charis. OA naman. Hi, Rach. Why are you laughing? Ay, ox lang ako. Hi, Gonor. Hi, JDM. Why are you laughing? It's true. Hi, Zaito. Follow mo nga ako.
Imbis na i-remove si Kongkong, siya nalipat ko sa leader.
Nice shorts. Thank you. Guys, help me to reach 1 star, guys. Hi, Daniel. I just came back. Hi, Heated Soul. Hi, Max. Welcome back. Where's Kim? I don't know. She's out of the country. Finally, someone... Someone asking me, where's my sister? How's the kids? They're good. I'm with Timothy Chalamet. I'm with Timothy Chalamet, guys. Hi, Zucchini. Yeah. Hi, I leaked this. Why are you leaking that? It's good to be back here. I've been busy. I've been having so much an appointment. I'm dropping some new perfumes in Kylie Cosmetics. You're fine as hell. Yeah, thank you so much, it's me. If I'm a fine as hell, you can drop some gifts here, guys. Ano daw? Oo, it's good to be back kasi nga my sister's out on the country. Charis. Hoy, baka sabihin. Hala, thank you, Sheng. Baka sabihin nyo, grabe ko ka-assuming, ha. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hala, ang pangit ng buko ba eh. Thank you, Clyde. Ay, Tafakur. Yun nga. Even Kendall is not here. She's out of the country. She's modeling. What's so? Hi, DJ Wolf. Wait lang. Ang pangit isa ng buhok ko, nababothered ako. Hindi na ako makalive na maayos pag hindi maganda ang aking ano. Hi, how are you? I'm doing great. Wala ba ibang ano, guys? Ibang chismis? Ano, sagrado pa rin ako, te. Actually, umalis talaga ako, diba, naran? Tapos naging ano ko, naging M. Hi, it's me. Ano, tapos nagbalik ako sa grado. Diba originally sa grado talaga ako? Nagbalik lang ako. Mahirap kasi maglipat ng agency mismo, pero